वो आएगी। शी विल कम। शी विल कम। तुम मेरे साथ आओ। यू कम विद मी। यू कम विद मी। वह कातिल है। ही इज किलर। ही इज किलर। वह शर्मा गई। शी हैज ashamed। शी हैज ashamed। मेरे साथ घर चलो। कम विद मी होम। कम विद मी होम। तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? तुम्हारा क्या मतलब है? What do you mean? What do you mean? तुम्हें कुछ नहीं पता। You don't know everything. You don't know everything. मुझे अच्छे से पता है। I know very well. I know very well. अपने काम से काम रखो। Mind your own business. Mind your own business. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? तुम मेरे बारे में परेशान मत हो। You don't worry about me. You don't worry about me. तुम्हारे कपड़े कहाँ हैं? Where is your clothes? Where is your clothes? मुझे नींद आ रही है। I'm getting sleepy. I'm getting sleepy. तुम कहाँ हो? Where are you? Where are you? जल्दी मिलेंगे। See you soon. See you soon. कोई बात नहीं। Never mind. Never mind. किस लिए? What for? What for? सच बोलो। Speak truth. Speak truth. इसे अभी करो। Do it now. Do it now. इसे यहाँ लाओ। Bring it here. Bring it here. क्या तुम इसे फिर से कर सकते हो? Can you do it again? Can you do it again? तुम इतनी देर क्यों की? Why did you take so long? Why did you take so long? यहाँ गाड़ी खड़ी करना मना है। It is forbidden to park here. It is forbidden to park here. मुझे सुबह उठा देना। Wake me up early in the morning. Wake me up early in the morning. New house built. मैं आज अपने बाल कटवाऊंगा. Today I shall get my hair cut. Today I shall get my hair cut. अपना मोबाइल ठीक करवा लो. Get your mobile repaired. Get your mobile repaired. माँ बच्चे को सुला देंगी. Mother will make the baby sleep. Mother will make the baby sleep. मैंने घोड़े को तेज दौड़ाया. I made the horse run fast. I made the horse run fast. उसने मुझे रुला दिया. He made me weep. He made me weep. काश मैं राजा होता. Would that I were a king. Would that I were a king. उसने मुझे खिलौना दिलवाया. He got me a toy. He got me a toy. मुझे नई साड़ी दिलवा दो. Get me a new साड़ी. Get me a new साड़ी. वह मुझे रोज चॉकलेट दिलवाता है. He gets me chocolate daily. He gets me chocolate daily. काश मैं राजा होता. Would that I were a king. Would that I were a king. वह अंग्रेजी बोल सकती है. She can speak English. She can speak English. बच्चे शोर मचाने लगे. The children began to make a noise. The children began to make a noise. मम्मी चाय बनाने लगी. मम्मी began to make tea. मम्मी began to make tea. हमें पैदल जाना पड़ता है. We have to go on foot. We have to go on foot. क्या आप इस मकान में रहते हैं? Do you live in this house? Do you live in this house? तुम अखबार में क्या पढ़ते हो? What do you read in newspaper? What do you read in newspaper? गांधी जी को कौन नहीं जानता? Who does not know गांधी जी? Who does not know गांधी जी? अमिताभ बच्चन महानायक बन गए. अमिताभ बच्चन became the superstar. अमिताभ बच्चन became the superstar. वह अपनी जान गंवा बैठी. She lost her life. She lost her life. उसने शादी नहीं की. She did not marry. She did not marry. मैंने कोई पाप नहीं किया था. I did not commit any sin. I did not commit any sin. मैंने पेपरों में कभी नकल नहीं की. I never copied in the examination. I never copied in the examination. क्या पाकिस्तान मैच हार गया? Did Pakistan lose the match? Did Pakistan lose the match? वह बाग में क्या करता था? What did he do in the garden? What did he do in the garden? क्या उसने नए कपड़े पहने थे? Did she wear new clothes? Did she wear new clothes? आपने यह कार कब खरीदी? When did you purchase this car? When did you purchase this car? आज तुमने कितना दूध पिया था? How much milk did you drink today? How much milk did you drink today? परीक्षाएं नज़दीक आ रही हैं. The examination are drawing near. The examination are drawing near. सारा मकान चू रहा है. The whole house is leaking. The whole house is leaking. इसे कोई नहीं बदल सकता. No one can change this. No one can change this. तुम क्या बातचीत कर रहे हो? What conversation are you doing? What conversation are you doing? क्या आप मेरी मदद नहीं करोगे? Will you not help me? Will you not help me? मैं तुम्हारे लिए खड़ा हूँ. I am stand for you. I am stand for you. वह मुंबई गया तो था. He did go to Mumbai. He did go to Mumbai. उसे क्या हो गया है? What's wrong with him? What's wrong with him? कल कॉलेज में क्या हुआ था? What happened in college yesterday? What happened in college yesterday? कल मैं कॉलेज नहीं गया. I didn't go college yesterday. I didn't go college yesterday. उसे अच्छी नौकरी मिल गई. He got a handsome job. He got a handsome job. आज हमें 500 रुपये मिले हैं. We got 500 rupees today. We got 500 rupees today. आज मेरे पापा का जन्मदिन है. Today it is my father's birthday. Today it is my father's birthday. मैं आपको शुक्रिया कहना चाहता हूँ. I would like to thank you. I would like to thank you. हमें उसके लिए प्रार्थना करनी चाहिए. We should pray for him. We should pray for him. यह कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. This is not a big deal. This is not a big deal. मैं तुम्हारा मुंह तोड़ दूंगा. I will break your face. I will break your face. तुम यहाँ नहीं रहोगी. You will not stay here. You will not stay here. अपना काम जारी रखो. Keep your work continue. Keep your work continue. हम कहीं नहीं जाएंगे. We will not go anywhere. We will not go anywhere. वह कब खोया था. When did he lost? When did he lost? भारत की राजधानी दिल्ली. Delhi the capital of India. Delhi the capital of India. अनिल के पापा जी चले गए. Anil's papa went away. Anil's papa went away. वह पूजा की बहन थी. She was Pooja's sister. She was Pooja's sister. विनय की पत्नी कल मर गई. Vinay's wife died yesterday. Vinay's wife died yesterday. यह बच्चों की साइकिल है. This is children's cycle. This is children's cycle. पूनम लड़कियों के स्कूल में पढ़ाती है. पूनम teaches in girls' school. Poonam teaches in girls' school.